Hey everyone, happy Monday. Welcome back to Dezola Designs, you guys. I hope everyone had a fantastic, relaxing weekend. I know I did. I have a fabulous giveaway for you guys today. They're all fabulous, I think, aren't they? I was going to do kind of a you pick yarn giveaway, but I saw these two colors were close together, so I said, you know what? I think I'm just gonna give these away. So these two colors will be given away. It's not a you pick yarn giveaway, you guys. This is a pretty big giveaway. This is 8 skeins of Ferris wheel yarn. What's wrong with my brain? I meant to say Lion brand Ferris wheel yarn, 8 skeins. You guys get, yes, I am insane. I love giving yarn away. Why do I give all this yarn away? Because it's my way of giving back to my yarn community, because I can, and because I was thinking about that, like a lot of other crochet channels. Of course, they have the crochet tutorials. I have a lot of crochet tutorials. They get into whatever they get into. And I tried doing the yarn. I do yarn reviews and whatever, but I really like the yarn giveaways. And that is something that I feel very comfortable doing. So that's why I do it. I don't know. And I also crochet too. And I make great crochet patterns. I'm going to talk to you guys a little bit about my patterns that I have currently going on. This would make a fabulous gift, you guys. This is called the Festive Fans Placemat. In this particular video, I'm going to have all of the links down below. So if you guys are, or in the description box, if you guys would like to make any of these patterns, they will be available in the description box. This is called the Festive Fans Placemat. This would also make a great table runner. It would also make a great blanket or what have you. It is a very beginner friendly pattern. It is just single crochets and triple crochets. You can use one color, you can use 10 different colors. It really doesn't matter. I do have the crochet tutorial, the video crochet tutorial, and I also have the placemats, not the placemats, the pattern available for you to purchase through the Hobbii website, hobbii.com. Again, the description or the pattern will be, the link will be available, all the links will be available in the description box down below. Or if you're watching this on your mobile, the description box is off to the side. I am sponsored by Hobbii, and I am a pattern designer for Hobbii now, which is a crazy thing to say, and I'm coming to terms with that, and I just think that's really cool because it's a lot of hard work, you guys. So this is, again, the Festive Fans Placemat. I do have the actual video crochet tutorial available, and I do have the pattern for those of you who like to just read patterns. It's available through hobbii.com. It would make a great gift. Gift giving season is upon us, so go ahead and check it out. I'll have the links down below. Really pretty. I think that this would be really pretty in someone's like home colors, maybe just neutral colors like browns. I just think that would be absolutely gorgeous. Maybe I was going to make one with Thanksgiving colors, but I don't have time right now because, here's another segue, I am working on this. This is going to be a blanket. I crocheted a lot yesterday actually, which I'm really excited. I was just watching football and crocheting, but this is, I don't know, I don't have the name for it yet, but this is through Hobbii. Again, Hobbii sends us campaigns about once a month, and we have to come up with our own designs and come up with our own color schemes. They give us like a basic outline, like they say make a blanket. So, and that could be literally anything. I found this pattern in one of my crochet books. It's called the Dots and Diamonds pattern, but this is heavily modified. I did modify it tremendously. It took a while for me to start it, but now, like I said, I was crocheting all day yesterday. It is a pretty intricate pattern, but it will be out in about a month, maybe a month and a half. I don't know. I will be crocheting all day today and all day tomorrow, so we'll see how much I have to go. But I am using Hobbii Kind Feather and Hobbii Winter Glow. This is the Winter Glow. The Winter Glow is super fabulous. And the Kind Feather is super fabulous too. If you guys are looking for a soft yarn, I'll have the links down below to the yarn. Winter Glow is a 80%, I think maybe 60-40 wool acrylic blend. It's really cool and really awesome. I did not know how the two were going to interact together or look together, but they look absolutely fabulous, the two yarns. So I just thought I would share that with you. I'm going to be crocheting hopefully for most of the day today, so we'll see how far I get. Just thought I'd let you know about that. Let's get to this giveaway. I'm gonna try and shoot this video all in one shot, so I don't have to edit anything. This giveaway, Lion brand Ferris wheel yarn, 8 skeins, you guys. You don't have to pick or choose. You will get both of the yarn. Let me put my glasses on. Ferris wheel yarn from Lion brand. Each skein is 270 yards. It is machine washable, 100% acrylic. It's a 4-weight 5mm hook. The browns, this one is called Morning Java. It's so gorgeous. It's all tans and browns, speaking of a neutral color. And then you also have Full Moon. Look at how pretty those are. Pretty blues. It's so gorgeous. What do you guys have to do to win this? All you have to do is make sure you are subscribed to my channel, like most of you are, and I really appreciate that. I really appreciate all of you being here and listening to me babble. Thank you. Make sure you're subscribed to my channel and then answer the following question. But before I get to that, I totally forgot my bracelets. You guys, I am wearing a ton of bracelets today. I am starting my insane, crazy in the membrane Black Friday sale early this year. 50% off everything in my Etsy shop. You guys can get amazing deals on everything in my Etsy shop. 50% off. All of my crystal stuff, 50% off, you guys. Check it out. I know a lot of you love my bracelets. I also have some crystal carvings and I think other stuff. But check it out, 50% off. Do not hesitate. I know a lot of you have baskets open. I will sell out probably by Thanksgiving. So please, if you like my bracelets, 50% off. This one, I will have the link right up above for you. Okay, let's get back to the giveaway. What do you need to do? Be subscribed to my channel, answer the following question down below, and let me know. And then you'll be entered to win for this giveaway. What is the question? The question is, Thanksgiving in America is coming up. What is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? What is your favorite Thanksgiving dish? Of course, mine is turkey, but I love green bean casserole, but I make mine from scratch. No cans, no nothing. Mine is made from scratch. What is your favorite? Let me know down below in the comment section, you guys. And thank you so much for watching my channel. I hope you guys are all doing well and have a magnificent day. We will talk to each other in the next video, everyone. Have a great day. Bye.